Hi everybody, this is Miss Erin, a Kid Smart teaching artist. I work in the visual arts art form, and today we're going to make a landscape. A landscape is a picture of the outside, and our landscape that we're making today is going to be made up of only lines. We are going to use several different types of lines. The first line we're going to use is a zigzag line. We're going to use some wavy lines, straight lines, and curved lines. What you will need today is some sort of drawing utensil, so it can be a pencil or a pen. If you have colors, that would be great. So colored pencils, crayons, or markers will also work. The first thing that we are going to do is you're going to draw a wavy or zigzag line across the bottom of your page. The second thing that you're going to do is you're going to start and make another wavy line. You want it to be kind of different, okay? You want them to be either zigzag, like truly zigzagged, or wavy. And you're going to layer a couple of them on top of each other. After you do that, you're going to start following your lines and filling them in by following the one that is above it, okay? So you're following that one above it, and you're going to fill it all the way in, and Miss Erin is going to use a color for hers, and you're going to fill it all the way in till it looks like this. Okay? So you'll fill this all in with lines that follow the line that you made first. Okay? And then you're going to change colors if you have colors, and you will follow the next line. And you're going to do that all the way up. Now, I left some space in the top. That's because that's where we're going to put our sun. And if you wanted to, you could also do clouds. But I'm just going to put my mountains here and then a sun here. And I'm going to fill in my sun with some lines as well. And you can use as many lines as you want, but you see how I filled them all in? And I started following the second line that I made here, okay? What it's going to come out like when you finish all of that, and I forgot to tell you, you can also do horizontal lines for the background. Now, the horizontal lines mean that they're going to go side to side, okay? And you can do that with whatever colors you want for the sky, all right? How it's going to look when it comes out is it's going to look somewhat like this, and it looks like we have mountains with a sun in the background. I hope you really enjoyed this art project of making a landscape with mountains using only lines. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.